Leon.
See you, Leon.
What you done to...
Arr.
Yeah, so it's had a Welly cooler installed today, Richard.
Custom front mount intercooler. What in the vaccine they call the Welly cooler, which is just a universal core, sort of 600mm by 300mm by 76mm. We've done these quite a lot, to be fair, over the years. We've done quite a few of them. The original intercooler sandwiched between the radiator and the aircon rad, so it doesn't get the best cooling. So obviously once these cars start pushing on, to sort of stage 2 plus, they generally need a better intercooler.
We tend to see them before they go to Artec, don't we?
Generally is a rule, because he's our local tuner and he's obviously around the corner for the VW 2 litre TFSI stuff. So we generally see them first. I don't know if that's where this car's going.
It is.
Oh, it is where it's going.
So.
Okay. Yeah, I think that's where it's going. So we've removed the original intercooler and made some brackets up to support the radiators because they all bolt together with the intercooler. So you need to make up brackets to obviously do that. So we've done that. So obviously the front panel's been off, everything's been out, but this morning obviously that's all gone back into position. Mounted the front mount intercooler, made some custom pipe work. The original charge pipe inside the engine, we've cut it and welded in a piece. So we've basically got rid of alleviated all the snap fittings on the system, which are weak points once you start pushing on. So they've been alleviated and got rid of. And all round a really nice system. It looks, really smart, and it's then a true front mount.
Obviously, that's right.
People report that generally not only do they get better cooling, as in they get better, they also get better cooling to the radiator as well.
Yeah, it's what Mr. Gar likes the map on, isn't it, at that stage?
Yeah, at that stage, because the intercooler doesn't go up as high as the radiator does, so you still get more serviceable air on the radiator as well, so it helps on both sides. I think that's about it. People generally love them, and they work repeatedly over and over again.
They do,
We've got some pictures, obviously, of the pipe work we've made and the work
we'll run some footage, and I'll have a quick scan at the front. Let's go and have a look at it. Cue awesome music and cinematics. No, I'm not doing any of that. I'm just going to lie down on the floor like this, where Richard likes me. Look at that. It's looking very sexual, Richard.
Yeah, quite nice, then.
Yeah, very nice. Very nice indeed. So that's what it looks like aesthetically at the front, and I'm going to run some photographs now so you can see the bends and things like that, and all the bits that Rich has, alley welded. Very good. I like it. I like that logo, mate. Good name for a company, that.